I don't think I've ever done this type of color on this channel. Oh my god. What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I'm just gonna spruce up my hair a little bit, make sure I got it nice and slickety slacked to my scalp. I would love to do like a brag check-in. So if you have gotten promoted, maybe you're pregnant, maybe you just got married, maybe you took a big leap of faith in your life, I would love for you to just brag about yourself. So whatever the good news may be, drop it down below. If you see some good news that you want to encourage or congratulate, please do so. This is a safe space. With that being said, baby, I don't have no good news. Except that I'm here, I'm still living, I'm breathing, the kids are okay, and that's about it. So with that being said, before we get into this video, please subscribe to the channel, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Now we are gonna go ahead and get into Miss HurelaHair. Boom, baby. Oh, whoa, wait a minute, wait. Listen, this is very impromptu because this is my first time taking this unit out of the box and I am blown the F away. I don't think I've ever done this type of color on this channel. Oh my god. So I'm excited about this. I don't know if y'all excited. Lately I've been doing some color and I ain't been too nice with it. So if you are interested in more color options, definitely give this video a thumbs up. It's very important. It lets me know. Drop a comment down below and boom. So yeah, let's go ahead and talk about this unit. Of course, frontal unit, and she does have a considerable amount of parting space, baby. Hello, bam, baby, look at all that parting space. And looking at the knots on here, they're small. It's not gonna be a big deal. We're gonna go through lace tint spray, yada yada, you know the deal.
I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Another thing I won't do. Ooh yeah, yeah. I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Ooh yeah, yeah. She the girl in my visions. Now that I found you, I'm feeling for all your attention. Yeah, hope you don't mind if I give you a tour of my mansion. Yeah, all of this for you, babe. Nothing
I think I'm gonna go ahead and use a dark wig cap for this. And I hope that my hair is as flat as I can get it. Usually I use a knee high for the first layer and then I follow up with another wig cap on top. But this go around we are using 2 wig caps. Baby, I'm ready for this one. There is one thing I don't like about this cap construction, and hello Susie. I don't like the elastic band. It keeps coming undone. So I would have preferred it actually being sewn into the cap. But anywho, alright, so and we're just gonna see if we can dab into the hairline first before I decide whether or not I want to glue this down. This looks really good. Holy cow. So I think what I'm gonna do, we're gonna try to do this side glueless, see how undetectable we can get it to look, especially since I'm not gonna have any lace showing on this side. So I think that's what we're gonna do, and then I'm gonna go ahead and maybe just glue down this part and the ear tabs. Yeah, here we go. we're gonna pull out some baby hairs. And we're not gonna even glue it down. I'm not gonna use any gel for these. And then going in with the Nairobi Rapid Shine Mousse, just like Bob Ross. We're gonna make some happy little birds right here. Alright, and again, nothing too drastic. Some of this hair. So I'm gonna start from the top, and I'm gonna make really rapid movements with the scissors. This tail off. Go in with the mousse. Dare I say, for someone who doesn't get the swooping, swoops are swooping. Okay, I can deal with that. I'm not happy about the way this lace is looking from this view. I can still see just a little bit of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my makeup brush. This is what I use to put on my foundation, and I'm just gonna wet it. Okay, now this is where it can go left. It can either go right or it can go left. So I'm just gonna tap right in here. Yo, what's up, what's up, what's up? What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up?
Thought I met you at the wrong time. Then you caught me on that one night. Girl, I wanna know how this thing get out of my control. Zip line into your timeline. Hey, that body don't lie. I didn't care for the hype, yeah. But when I saw you tonight, ooh, girl, you know just what you're doing. I'll go.
I am gonna just layer it just a little bit. I'm gonna pull this out. And I'd rather start off low, and then I can always go higher if I need to. Okay, so I'm going a little higher. Okay, I can deal with that. I can deal with that, okay. Okay. That's what it was. That piece right there. Why y'all ain't tell me? Hella rude. Alright, so we're gonna just take this up, because I think that is what was throwing this side off. In true dramatic form, baby. Wait for it, because I really think I'm about to say, dare I say, your girl might ditch the blondes if the browns keep popping like this, baby. Specs on this unit before your girl goes extra AF. This is by HurelaHair. This is their 13x4 body wave unit in the dark auburn color, or the color 33B. That is the specific color for this unit. It's 150% density. I could have swore I asked for something else. We'll go into that. Listen, not bad considering it's pre-plucked. Not bad considering it's pre-colored. Not bad considering it's brown girl approved. So listen, lace is lace is lace. It's always going to show somehow. You know, you're always going to be able to tell, especially if someone's all up in your head, okay? But to me, this is fight status, okay? This is like you got a problem and we about to handle it type of status, okay? But in this case, I do really believe that this is almost undetectable. I did get some flyaways at the crown, and also when I curled this unit, I just went in with the Nairobi mousse spray along the crown of the head just to smooth out those flyaways. Curls did hold up, they held up okay. They did fall somewhat. The first day they fell immediately. You saw with the install. However, second day, the only thing I changed was I did pin them on the mannequin head, and I let them sit, sprayed them, and then took them out. I did go ahead and use the T3 curling iron. If you're interested, this is in my Amazon store. Now, this has been big in the YouTube streets. I decided to take a chance, pick it up, because I do figure if I'm going to be giving you quality hair, I need quality products to style with. This is giving me 150%, which is okay. It's going to give you a natural vibe. This is something you pull out, you know, maybe brunch, afternoon brunch or something with the girls. You know what I'm saying? But I think, baby, I'm so here for this. I am obsessed with this color. Listen. Oh. Yeah. So with that being said, thank you so much to HurelaHair for sending out the unit. Most importantly, big thank you to all of you for tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Drop your girl a comment down below. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.